Oh no, I wasn't recording that actually, so.
I've got a plan. No one move anywhere. We'll just stand in a circle.
I like my Mexican stand.
I'm gonna just grab boom, 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 boom.
The man to your left.
I'm just using full auto Glock at that point.
Okay, back to back.
Back to back. Sometimes it's.
You know what I mean.
Good luck running this way now, Roy.
Go for it.
I'll run backwards.
Everybody ready?
Yep.
Goggles on.
I got 30 seconds.
Yep, 30 seconds, then we start shooting.
3, 2, 1, game on!
No, Tyrell, not this way. I'm going this way.
No, Jack, I have your ass.
No, you don't.
Ass is gone.
No, you don't. No one gets it. Okay, let's dance.
Hit. I knew trusting you was a bad idea.
Back in, back in.
Oh, okay, so there's no count.
Nope.
I was getting double teamed. I was getting DP'd.
Ooh, bummer.
It's okay. I'm gonna move. Cover me. Tyrell, where? No, I need to move up. Okay, fire some shots. You're out of shots. You're out of shots.
Oh, okay.
Where is he, dude?
Huh?
Where is he?
There's one like under here, and then there's another one
Okay,
waiting.
try to run behind that cover there. Can you?
Out. I can make it there, but I probably can't shoot him.
Just make it there. Go, 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 go. Go tag him. Go tag them.
There, I got no guts. I'm just going
Okay.
to look here.
I'm out. You got me.
Take my knife. Take my knife.
Yeah, I got him. Yeah, there's nobody behind me.
Are you hit?
Yeah, I'm hit.
Wait.
Get out of there.
Hit. Hit.
Get up, Jack.
Back in. Watch out. There's one in here. One in here.
You're gonna get me. My battery's dead, so I'm just
Nice, your battery dies after you get me.
Okay. Aye, that's all fine. Okay.
There's a whole white boat there.
Alright, I got it.
He's already hit.
No, behind him. Frick.
Hey, you got him, you got him.
Are you hit? Oh, I got him? Sweet. It's a pistol, man.
Oh, I won't be any use. My gun's
Oh.
dead.
Thought you were gonna get me.
I guess I'm just gonna head out now.
Alright. Thanks for coming.
Is there anybody else alive?
Yeah. Mateo! Are you good? I see him, I think. That one.
This one still has quite a bit.
No, it's empty in the main compartment.
Okay, one's down. I don't know if this is one guy here or not. Must not.
Okay. Want to run?
Okay, he's down that side.
I'll move up.
Oh, I
Go
see
one
him.
at a time.
Okay, move on. Here you go.
There's still another one, guys. Be careful.
He's hit. I'll get him.
Is he down?
Yeah, I'm hit.
Oh, okay. Oh, you were right there, Wyatt.
What?
Oh, I didn't know that you were that close. Okay, go. Tyler.